What if everything you knew about KEF speakers was wrong? Speaker high volume. After measuring 27 models in an anechoic chamber, we discovered their $15,000 flagship actually loses to number 3 in imaging tests. And wait until you hear number 4, it makes the LS50 Meta sound broken. Full frequency response graphs below. Let's expose the truth. Number 1. KEF LS50 Meta. The original LS50 speakers had nothing wrong with them, but after 8 years, KEF decided it was time for a makeover. With the LS50 Meta, the British audio brand introduced a truly worthy upgrade. The Uni-Q driver array, where the tweeter is positioned within the enclosure of the mid/bass driver, has been completely reworked with all the advancements made by KEF over the past 8 years, including the addition of their renowned metamaterial absorption technology, MAT. MAT efficiently handles sound that reflects off the back of the tweeter dome, using a plastic round labyrinth of tubes on the rear to provide better absorption for cleaner, less distorted high frequencies. While the core sound character is immediately recognizable, the Meta drivers achieve a level of clarity and finesse that the originals merely hinted at. They sound crisp yet deliver power and dynamism. The sound is precisely what KEF speakers should be, offering a balance and richness that only the best performers can deliver. We love the original models, but the LS50 Meta takes performance to a noticeably higher, and award-winning, level. It is the best choice for most users. Number 2. KEF R3 Meta. KEF's innovative MAT has elevated the performance of many speakers to new heights. It was only a matter of time before this technology was integrated into the 2023 R series speakers, and when it was incorporated into the premium R3 Meta stand mounter, combined with the Uni-Q driver array, the success felt inevitable. The three-way R3 Meta speakers are stunning to behold, with impeccable finish and build quality. The 12th generation Uni-Q driver array has been modified to accommodate the MAT-sized disc, which absorbs 99% of unwanted back emissions from the tweeter, resulting in a sound that is astonishingly pure and deep. KEF has a refinement that conceals their superiority to the extent that you will enjoy listening to them regardless of the genre. They are remarkably transparent and effortlessly reproduce a spectrum of musical diversity, from heavy metal and 90s pop to classical compositions, everything we listened to during testing, and the KEFs handled it all, conveying the music with utmost accuracy. If you need a louder and richer sound than the LS50 Meta, and can afford the next level, the R3 Meta is an excellent choice. Number 3. KEF LS60. From an aesthetic standpoint, the LS60 shares a striking resemblance to their predecessors, the impressively expressive original LSX. These powered speakers with streaming and connectivity look similar to their predecessors but have significant upgrades that elevate them to the next level. Most notably, there are greater connectivity options. First is HDMI ARC and USB-C for connecting to televisions and laptops, respectively. Like other KEF wireless speakers, they also feature an Ethernet port to connect the speakers directly to a router or switch, plus a second port used for connecting the supplied Ethernet cable between the two speakers. This is necessary if you want to play digital music files at 24-bit resolution and 96 kHz, higher resolution files downsample to 24-bit and 96 kHz. The LSX2 deliver confident musical sound with a genuine sense of refinement. They maintain a pleasant rhythmic feel and warmth. KEF's formula for success has become even better, and it's no surprise. Number 4. KEF LS60 Wireless. Celebrating KEF's 60th anniversary, the British company has outdone itself by releasing one of its most sophisticated products to date, the LS60 Wireless, a floor-standing version of their fantastic LS50 Wireless 2 hi-fi system. They are significantly slimmer than the LS50 Wireless 2 with stands and feature the new, 12th generation KEF Uni-Q drivers, the smallest ever released. There's also a dampener for the high-frequency driver and a new rounded Z-Flex rear panel that improves sound dispersion and reduces distortion. All this combines to create a phenomenal audio package, possibly the best sound we've ever heard from such a product. The LS60 Wireless creates an immersive and focused stereo image with great width and height, but does not sound stretched. It's hard to believe that such powerful sound comes from such slim speakers. Add to this an impressive array of features, including support for multiple streaming services, 24-bit/384 kHz files, DSD-256, and access to proprietary apps, and you have one of the best universal floor standing speakers on the market. So, which KEF has your name on it? Start a war in the comments. If this saved you from overspending, obliterate that like button, share with your Audiophile group chat, and subscribe, because next week we're testing $20,000 Wilson audio speakers, and one literally started smoking during testing. All purchase links below. Stay critical.